Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. I greet you according to your time. Welcome to Cooking with Herb. Today I will be showing you how I make this lovely chicken stew. Let's get started. Here I've got some hard chicken already washed. Just go ahead and add some sliced onions and then add some ingredients, which is curry, rosemary, ginger, garlic, and some salt. I add a bit of water and I'm going to cover this to cook. After 30 minutes, I checked on the hard chicken. It's almost getting ready. And once it's ready, I will go ahead and take it off the heat. Here I've got some oil in the pan. I'm just going to go ahead and fry the chicken. Once my chicken is looking nice and golden brown, I will then go ahead and take it off the heat. Still going to repeat the same process. Once the chicken is all fried, I then went in with my sliced onions and some garlic. And some tomatoes. Give this a good mix. And then went ahead and add my ingredients. You can add any ingredients of your choice. And I also had a bit of chicken stock for more flavor. And then went in with my fried chicken. Like I said, guys, this is a chicken stew. So I didn't want to add any meat to it, just chicken. I'm just going to cover this to simmer. After 5 to 10 minutes, I came to check on the chicken stew. Look at that, guys. It's bubbly and it smells really, really well and it tastes amazing. And I hope you enjoy watching this video. Please do not forget to follow, like, share Cooking with Herbs on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Thank you always. God bless you.